withdrawing from friends and family, maybe not going out or doing activities that they used to enjoy, not having control or access over your own money or your banking.
November is Family Violence Prevention Month across Alberta, and knowing the signs and supports could save a life. It is a complex issue that can affect anyone, no matter their age, race, or cultural background.
We see families from all over the socioeconomic spectrum. It's not something that happens to a particular group over another group. It is a complicated issue. Of course, it's an intersectional issue that really comes from gender inequality.
Prevention is the most effective way to combat family violence and its far-reaching impacts, and that includes working with youth.
We see a lot of young men and even toddlers in our organization. Lots of moms come here with bigger and bigger families, and the work that we do with children is really preventative. We know that the impacts of trauma affect a child's brain development, especially in the first 5 years, and that can be devastating and it can have lifelong consequences. But the good news is that the brain is actually really adaptable.
Alberta has the third highest rate of self-reported spousal violence among Canadian provinces, which Calgary Police says is a sign more people are reaching out to the authorities for help. But victims of abuse typically confide in a friend or family member first.
But if people do know those warning signs and they're open to having those conversations, if you ask in a caring way if someone is being hurt by the person in their relationship, then they're probably going to respond to that in a good way.
Calgary Police respond to about 20,000 domestic violence cases a year. Calgary has several shelters and programs available to support women, children, and men. And the Discovery House works with kids and families to help them heal and end the abusive cycle. In Calgary, Shilpa Downton, City News.